Come see this gorgeous, completely remodeled home located in the highly sought-after Brasswood Addition. Edmond Schools. Large open floor plan with wood-look tile floors throughout the main living areas. Enormous windows making it bright and airy. New lighting, new fixtures, new roof, new paint, new landscaping and stunning quartz counters in kitchen, baths and laundry room. New carpet in the bedrooms and tile in the bathrooms. Also featuring a huge amount of storage. The master bedroom retreat features a tray ceiling, French door leading out to the large back patio, huge soaker tub, remodeled shower, large master closet with built-in chest of drawers. 4 large bedrooms or 3 beds and an office. Whatever works best for your needs. This golf cart neighborhood offers a gorgeous pool, basketball court, baseball field, greenbelt and wonderful activities throughout the year. So close to Costco, Chisholm Creek and the turnpike. Don't miss this one.